My name is Johan and I'm working at HAMMARPRODUKTER as a product development. Right now it's lots of bird products we work with and developing the way to put them up in different places, in difficult places. 2 years ago we had a big drone to put up 5 in one go, but it's very hard to have this in the Alps. So now we have a small drone that makes it with one at a time, and it's half the time to do the work. We have a hot stick, it's called, and a tool. And it works like this. You just put it up and it stays. But you have to do it manually. And on ski lifts they do this and they often have to stand on the chairs to do this, and it's quite dangerous. So I hope the drone will be a good solution for them in the future.
I'm Ákos Harami. I'm a director of Cyker Engineering. We develop industrial drones and drones for military use. We came here to the Alps to install on the fireflies or the bird marks on cable cars, which is the first thing we did here. And we've been here 2 years ago with our first solution, the big drone that was able to carry 5 bird marks and was installing them. And since then we worked on many installations. We installed thousands of bird marks all over the world actually. And we realized that the big solution probably isn't so effective all the time, so we developed something else. We call it BDC Mini. It's a small drone, 2 kilos. It can carry 1 bird mark at a time, and we can put up 150 per day, which is 50 more than the big drone. And the difference is that with this small drone, we don't have to look for landing spaces, we don't have to do all the logistics around it. All we need is 2 people and a backpack full of bird marks, and off we go.
L'expérience avait été très réussie à Tignes, de pose de balises par drone, et on a eu envie d'aller un peu plus en avant et de tester aussi cette pose de balises sur un domaine skiable, ce qu'on n'avait encore jamais fait. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on avait mis la priorité sur les lignes parce que c'est ce qui nous semblait plus compliqué à équiper. Mais sauf que dans les domaines skiables, c'est pas si simple aussi à certains endroits, c'est assez compliqué, ça demande de la main d'œuvre, ça peut être dangereux. Donc l'idée c'était aussi de tester pour être toujours un peu plus dans l'innovation et montrer tout ce qui était possible à tous nos partenaires.